opposition leader has said, this bill had to be debated. And after a long debate, मागचा आमगे जो लीडर आहा बाब राहुल गांधी ताणे सांगला क्लिअरली दिस वॉज नॉट इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द वुमन, दिस वॉज इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द BJP. दे वॉन्टेड टू ग्रॅब पॉवर. जे 5.5 आहे ते 8.5 शिकून जस्ट टू मेक नंबर्स सो दॅट हॅव द country in their control. So that was the root cause of it. This was not in the interest of the woman. Kolle zale 2023 bill प्रमाणे they could have gone ahead and given the reservation. But they wanted something else. They wanted these seats to be increased. And which seats? Which states which are in North Goa, which are BJP favorite, they wanted to do that in a different way and to control the country. So this is what our MPs do not want, and it is not only the opposition. I think so even the BJP MPs do not want it, and that is why it is they could not get that 2/3 majority.
सो आता ते तुमचे लकयतले की अमुक मुखार बायलांसाठी येतल्यो मेळना.
अरे त्यांकडे BJP कडे they have a majority. They could have done it. So this shows that even their MPs were not in favor. That is why it could not be passed. You cannot blame Congress for it. कित्याक जेन्ना Congress last time जेन्ना bill आले, Congress MPs everyone supported it. Full majority supported. They could have implemented that. So this is what our leader has said. It is not women's in favor of the woman. It was in favor of the BJP, which they want to control the country. That is what.